Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen.
It's been a little bit since we filmed a video, and today we will be doing a cooking with Rachel and Sam. We are going to be making crispy rice with spicy tuna and
It's about to be phenomenal.
cooked egg for sushi with seaweed salad on top. Mostly because the sushi grade tuna was really expensive and we didn't want to buy two things of it, so we're experimenting with this.
It's all about getting the rice perfect. And honestly, as long as the tuna is good, like everything else will be good too.
So far we've already cooked the rice, which we'll insert the clips of that here. Now we're just gonna kind of wing it.
I'm excited. So cheers. We
Cheers.
got some
Oh yeah.
We got some to-go drinks from a bar downstairs.
They're hot apple cider spiked situations.
Cheers. To our first cooking video.
And to us being back on the channell. And
We know you missed us.
Yeah, feeling really awkward in front of the camera right now. It's been so long. Okay, we're just gonna go for it.
Here's the ball.
What knife should I use? So what we will be
How's
doing
this
now
one?
is chopping the tuna very finely.
Gonna be
Oh no,
cold.
it's frozen.
No. No.
It's frozen.
This is
It's fine.
tuna.
Or should I just start chopping it and see what happens?
By the time all is
Yeah,
said and
right?
done, it might be fine.
I think it's fine.
The heat from your fingers will warm it up.
So we're just gonna go in and chop the icy
Shoot.
tuna.
So let's see how
So we are going to run it underwater.
just to see.
But while we're doing this, how is everyone? What is everyone up to these days? Not much to do in the winter. It is in fact Saturday night.
No, it's Sunday.
Oh yeah, Sunday, but we've off tomorrow, so it's kind of like a Saturday night. And we're spending that making some sushi and drinking a drink.
So what do you think? Should I do that with the others?
I think we can just
Go for it.
like whatever. What's gonna happen, you know?
I don't know. So now we're just pushing it down with the side of the knife. This is the technical way to do it.
It's called smushed sushi. Sam and I do this thing where like we think we just know everything. And then, I mean, you definitely research certain things, but like we also both have like somewhat of like, I don't want to call it a god complex.
No, it definitely is.
Like we
But
think
then-
we like can do anything and like know anything, and then when we're like hit with an obstacle, we're like, well, like you know, it's because like we can't just be like, oh yeah, like like we were wrong.
I also look things up after having a discussion with someone just to make sure that I'm right. Or like if I find out that I was incorrect in that, I will never bring it up ever again.
Yeah,
And
I should start taking note of the times that you drop things
Yeah.
and then the times that
that they're not
you bring
right
it back
at
up.
all.
Because like even if you're just like, yeah, it's like something everyone's like debating. Like Sam, you'll see Sam like quietly go on her phone in the corner, and then like 20 minutes later she'll be like, and by the way, like I was right and this was it. It's very funny.
Then you scoop.
Then you just take the knife and slice your hand into the sushi.
So today we had a crazy experience.
Oh yeah. Oh.
We did think that we were being stalked by multiple people. Not just one. It was like 3 things that happened back to back to back. And then after 3 people we thought were stalking us, Rachel almost got mauled by a pack of birds.
It was just telling us to go. The world was like, go inside, please.
Yeah.
Like, please go home and go inside. Which is dangerous. I feel like I don't need those signs because I would stay inside all day if that was acceptable. I used to be a very social person.
You are a very social person.
But like, I used to get excited about being social. Now I'm social by like loyalty and like not wanting to like lose friendships. You know what I mean? Like, but it's like, I don't know. Do you guys feel this way? Like, it's almost like, I was talking about this with my other friend Sam the other day. She was like, I'm nervous for Corona to be over and when I'll actually have like things that I like need to go, like there's no like excuse anymore to not do stuff.
That's so true.
Sad to say at 23, but we'll get through it. Am I right, folks?
I feel like we've just become comfortable in the ways of life now, but once we get back to the way that things were, we'll be excited about those situations.
Yeah, that's true. I would also like everyone to comment what their favorite sushi is, like sushi roll. Be interested to know.
What's yours?
Anything with tuna in it, I always love. But like, yeah, anything with like tuna and like really anything. I just don't love like raw salmon. So, all right, fine. I'll tell you guys my sushi order.
They're begging.
Yeah. If we're doing like more classic rolls rather than special rolls, I do a spicy tuna roll, a yellowtail scallion roll, and an eel and cucumber roll. What about you, Sam?
So, same deal. If we're doing like,
I just got tuna on my shirt.
Cool. If we're doing simple rolls, I do spicy tuna, salmon avocado, and then recently I've been doing avocado cucumber.
Yeah,
which
it's
is
been
really
crazy.
good. I also
really crazy.
Really, fuck you.
No.
I really like raw salmon. I actually think I prefer raw salmon over tuna rolls.
That just got a really crazy scent.
I mean, this smells really not that good.
You think it's fine though, right?
No, it's definitely fine. We went to HMART, so they hold themselves to a high standard there. I trust them.
Yeah. We were thinking that for our next Cooking with Rachel and Sam, we could do either like chicken tenders and fries or ramen. I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons of mayo because I said so. We're gonna do 1 part sriracha to that 2-part mayo. I made that up. Sounds right.
Yeah, that's not exactly right.
And then we mix. We're mixing. There's something different that sushi restaurants do to their spicy mayo that's more than just sriracha and mayo. It always just tastes like a bit different when I make it myself, and I don't know why. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna roll the lemon to really get the juices flowing. Cut a little slice out. Like so. And we're just gonna squeeze it in. It needs any more of anything.
No, I think it's really good.
Okay, perfect. So should I just throw it in?
Yeah.
This feels really crazy. It's all happening so fast.
I mean, the tuna took about 30 minutes in itself.
Yeah, that's true.
So happy we don't have work tomorrow.
Oh my god, same. Just wouldn't have been right, or just.
No, not just.
Comment below what you think we do. Just kidding, everyone who watches this knows what we do. Except for like 4 people. It's looking right.
Yeah, it does look really right.
Us like sickly.
Oh, so now I'm cutting up the jalapeno into thin slices to put on top of it at the end.
Scallions.
Going in. Last
I
time
should really
bought
have
it.
this on my shoulder.
We should get aprons for this segment that
With
we do.
Cooking with Rachel and
Yeah.
Sam monogrammed into it. Should we get a P.O. box, guys?
We know you all want to send us stuff, so basically I'm just gonna give you guys my address. It's so funny because we can't like turn music on.
Yeah.
So every time we stop talking, it's like just complete silence. Which we can do. We can easily sit in silence together. It just feels weird
When there's a
when there's a camera and a bright light on you.
That's like one of the most important things of a friendship. Being able to feel like, or any relationship, any type of relationship, like being able to sit in silence with someone.
Yeah.
Because I have this thing where I always feel like I have to like fill silences with people that I'm like not comfortable with. It definitely comes in handy in group settings because I feel like I always keep conversation going.
Yeah.
But
I like conversations. So I'm like, cool. What are the bad things?
But like, yeah, we could literally be sitting for hours and like not say anything. It's not like weird. I'll show you guys. I don't know if, oh yeah, I see it.
Everyone tell us how gorgeous it looks.
Now we will get the rice out. It was in the freezer for a little, and then we put it in the fridge because we didn't want it to be like full on. It's so hard for me to tell if you can see this.
So I wet the knife.
We have vegetable oil heating up on a medium heat.
We're gonna put them together now. They're done. They are complete. They're gorgeous.
We're gonna try it for you guys. Cheers.
Wait, I want to dip mine in soy sauce.
And this is a thick one.
We did fry them a little too long because we didn't realize. So like, they're really crispy.
Yeah, they're like crackers.
But it's still really good.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go eat this, and then we'll be back with some dessert later. Time for, oh wait, you're not even saying
Yes.
I'm ready for my close-up. Time for dessert. Very exciting.
We got-
also, wait, it was so good.
Oh,
wait.
yeah.
Oh, we already tried one on camera. I was like, they haven't seen anything.
No, it was really good. We ate all of it, obviously.
Like we meant. Like
We'll
we said
just
we would.
fry it like a little less next time. But you live and you learn. Now we have crunchy strawberry Pocky with chocolate biscuits, as opposed to, it's usually like the vanilla ones. And then this sesame mochi.
I actually think that there's red bean paste in it, which I thought that there was going to be a sesame filling on the inside, but then I read on the bottom that
It says red bean. Oh, that's kind of upsetting.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so gross. Just kidding, maybe it'll be good.
I don't think it'll be gross. I like red bean filling.
Thanks.
This is what they look like.
I already ate them.
Cheers. The strawberry flavor is just so superior. Wow, you're right. This is the best one.
I have this thing where I can eat 2 at a time at a very rapid rate. It's
Interesting.
Oh, it smells like salty.
It's interesting. Cheers. It's aight. You don't like it?
Mm-mm. I like the outside. I don't like the inside.
All right.
Well, thank you for watching this Cooking with Rachel and Sam.
Let us know what we should cook next.
Yeah. We probably won't listen. We'll probably just do something we choose.
Well, obviously, but still.
But still let us know. Let us know if you ever make this recipe. And we'll see you next time.
Thanks. I did not.
hate this.
I just went like this. I went, nah.
Wait.
You know, like, it's annoying because
There's like bean skin.